Morning, Lisa. Where we're going today?
Good morning. We're going to go to Bodega Bay today.
All right. Okay. We're going to be heading on out.
It's really dark out here a little bit. You have to turn your lights on your car so people see you coming.
Have any lights? There's the light.
Yeah.
They do have a few street lights.
No, I'm talking about the lights. It says Goat Rock. Well, my husband's on the left, so. We're like way up high. That's really pretty. That's beautiful. Blind Beach. This is Blind Beach. When we came through, it said Goat Rock. That house got a good scenery.
They got a good view of everything.
Yes, they do. It's beautiful. It's really pretty. So we're up here waiting and we realize it's just a one lane. It's one lane out and one lane in to get into the beach, it looks like. So now Lance is going. Yeah, so this is a one lane. Hear the ocean for sure. And it's a bumpy road. That's kind of weird. How do you know when someone's around this corner?
Now it's 2 lanes.
Oh, okay. I was like, wait a minute. How would you know when it's...
That's
This
how
is
you know you
absolutely
come around the
beautiful.
corner.
Right. That is nice. Wow. Okay, we're going to come to a stop and we're going to check it out even better. be building out here. Maybe hotel, homes.
Something looks like it's going to be big, whatever it is.
Medium? You think medium on Lisa?
Yes, I think Lisa's a medium.
For a hoodie?
Right, medium
Oh, let me see. That is so cool. Yeah, she'll love that. Does that glow at night?
Yeah, I don't know, but it's the birds.
Yes. I think she'll like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mom be jealous. You guys don't get. I'm right by the heater.
Oh.
I'm gonna hang out by the heater. Y'all do the candy. This place has been a favorite since I was a little boy.
I know. That's why you wanted to come here. Brings back memories.
My wife said, I need a hoodie. I should get a hoodie. All right.
They got every
Oh, look at all this flavor of taffy. Wow.
Sorry. Take this one over there.
These are beautiful. Shines.
What size is Mom?
Shines. An extra large.
Is she sure she's extra large?
I think so.
Sure. If not extra large.
I don't know. I don't know if they have that.
They do. So Mom's getting a hoodie. Yeah. Well, if I get one for me and Lisa, and Mom don't get one, we're all on good.
You think so?
And she ain't gonna say nothing. She's gonna pout for like 5 days. Huh? You know, this is her trouble as much as anything else. What do you think?
Let me see, Lance.
This is the candy spot when I was a kid.
Really was, huh?
Yep.
Well, how far did you live here?
I lived in Sonoma County most of my youth until 20. And I just always loved coming here because it's got everything.
Like a little general store.
It's just for cotton candy. It's
Yeah.
like the spot.
So what are you gonna get?
I don't know. This is the problem when I come here. There's so many good
Too much
things.
selection.
Uh,
Castrix, Bodega Bay, saltwater taffy. And they also have wind chimes and gifts. We are here in Bodega Bay, I believe.
There's the casino.
My husband noticed the casino. My husband noticed the casino.
It's just a car.
Okay, Lance is taking us somewhere. What's this? He knows how to get around. Ah, there is the school. And you can tell where the school's at because I think there's people parking.
All the cars.
You mean you're talking about this school here?
Mom, right in front of you is the school where the
Yeah.
kids came out running.
Run into, yeah.
So right behind me is the school from the movie of the birds. All right, so I'm going to turn this around so you can check it out. So it says it was the Potter School and it was built in 1873.
it's one of the original churches out here.
Is it one of the, is this a church? But it was,
This is school. That's the church.
okay. But in March of 1962, it was Alfred Hitchcock was used the school in the film The Birds. All right. So we're gonna go back here. Oh, cute little lemonade stand there. Trying to get hit by a car. Wow. If you all seen The Birds, you remember when they all ran out, right, Greg?
You know it.
They ran out because all the birds
Chasing them down the street.
were all, I'm sorry about the sun here, I'm right in the middle of the day, but they were They were back here somewhere. I think there was a swing or something like that they were all sitting. And all the birds started sitting down where Tippi Hedren, I believe her name was, the actress, was sitting there waiting for
All these wires out here on the other side.
for her. One of the girls that was the actress, one of the students was in here in the birds. I should know that by heart because I've watched the movie so many times. And they all ran out and ran down the street here. Isn't that cool thing, Lisa?
Oh, this is awesome.
Isn't that the
So
coolest
pretty.
thing?
It's beautiful.
Look at the little lemonade stand behind you.
That's from Charlie Brown, right? mean,
I
it's
think
like-
so. Isn't
takes
that
after
sweet? My sister's taking a photo of it. Just to see it. It's even so cool. God, actually got a chance to see it. One of my mom's favorite movies, my family favorite movies.
The chapel's right over here. The little church lance went around the corner.
Yeah, so let's go check that. And I'm trying to remember what was the chapel was. And was the chapel in the movie?
I think it was.
Oh,
All the beautiful pampas grass growing in. That's so pretty.
what was that, Lisa?
Pampas grass is so pretty all over the. They have pampas grass all over the
Oh.
sides.
Look how pretty it is out there.
So beautiful. So it's a private residence, so we don't want to film there.
Okay.
'Cause I don't want to disturb.
No. But I can film the church, huh?
Yeah, they have a bathroom here, a public bath, so there's obviously tourists that come through here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
Isn't it cute? Lance, what was this film for? Was this wasn't in the film, wasn't it? Okay. 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 Okay, so it's gonna tell us
Oh, it's
here.
so pretty.
It's beautiful. This might be a little longer video, longer vlog, but it's all worth it. Right, Lisa?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Donated the redwood lumber and a lot from his 1843 Mexican land grant. And upon completion of the lot and church were deeded as a gift from John O'Farrell to Archbishop Alamy of San Francisco. The Archbishop dedicated the church in Bodega on June 2nd, 1862.
Oh. So it wasn't in the movie, it was just
I bet you probably see it.
You'll probably see it.
probably
in the
see,
movie. You'll
right,
see it.
people walking
Yeah.
by it or driving. Look at that beautiful stained glass.
It's ancient. Those are all probably original.
I bet it is. What year was it made?
1862.
Oh, yeah.
Built in 1843.
Oh, definitely. Those probably the
Completed in
original.
1860.
Yeah, that's absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go to the front. Look at that.
Yeah,
Oh, definitely. That's. Look at the doors.
yeah. Historical landmark for sure. A lot of that is Sonoma County, 'cause people don't realize that the Russians used to do fur trading from the West. Yeah, it had to be.
I'm sure they probably drove by it.
It had to be in that.
I got a chance to see all this. Really.
John Orr is coming up.
Lance is
She
going to
was
tell you the
wife-
story.
She was the wife of John Orr. And that's all it says.
That's all it says. Age 32.
32, 2 months, and 9 days.
Aw.
Oh, here it is.
Okay.
It was coming up.
Lance, the internet up here is not too good. Does it say a little bit about it?
They said a lot about it, but then it's no, it's in you gotta subscribe.
Oh, okay.
Let me see if there's another thing on it in here.
Was it November 24th,
A little on?
1861 that she passed
This will
away?
have more on it. Flip it.
Okay.
They must have either donated the land or something.
Okay, so Lance found out what it's about.
If we had internet, we might have to include this later, but it's
Okay.
coming up slowly.
We can always like, fix it.
Google it later.
Yeah, we can do that. We can say, you know, I found out about it, and then we can.
Little window, and I'll make it one.
Lisa and Lance says they'll take this as a house.
Oh yeah. This every morning you get out and have a nice.
He'd be real happy. So anyways, my sister went to bed. Everybody had a long day. And today we went to Bodega Bay, and I think it was called Goat Rock. So anyways, it was a long day. So she already went to sleep. She's already said good night. So I'm gonna be calling it a night. I hope you enjoy the vlog. And the next one we have is that her and I went to Kindle Winery. So you'll be seeing that. So we really had a good few days. Time flies so fast when you're on mini vacation. So anyways, I want to call it an evening. You guys have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.